Right guys, just to fill you in, as a extremely vulnerable person classed as, the only time I can leave my house is to go and have an infusion for my condition. So I haven't driven this in about 3 or 4 weeks, pretty much a month. I haven't driven the car in a month, so let's just enjoy it while we can, shall we? Thank God them rear brakes aren't seized up. I have to say there is still quite a few people driving around, which I weren't really expecting. A few older people I've seen as well, weren't expecting that. Oh, this nice person's letting me go. Oh God, already hitting ground on the tray. I'm not, like I said, I haven't driven this car in ages. I'm used to driving the diesel around on a daily basis, so what a strange time, eh? What an absolutely strange time. And these people that have still got to catch bus. God, I don't want to do that at all. So then, what's it like being able to drive for this special occasion then? It might be in a month or two again, or a few weeks, till I get to do it again. It's a nice head break, put it that way. Like, a lot of people talk about how driving can be like a happy place, and for me it is one of the most comfortable places I can be, is being behind the wheel. I'm not even driving fast, I'm not doing anything stupid, I'm just cruising, and even that is just therapeutic, just seeing things around. I've been that itching to drive that I've been thinking about, so I've got some spare wood in the shed, thinking about building like a racing sim like rig to pop my steering wheel on, because at the minute I've got a fold out table and a deck chair, and it's just, I'm just holding the table with my legs, and I want something sturdy that I can get a bit lower down and really get stuck in. So if I do end up doing that, would you want that documenting? Do you think that'd be a cool thing to show, like DIY make your own rig? There is a lot online of people doing that, but it's involving a seat into the rig, which I don't have a spare seat really, and I don't have the space either in my living room, so I will be using like a computer chair. So try and make something that can slide up to any chair, basically. God, get used to, still gonna get used to this not being a diesel turbo. But hearing that's just, oh, what a relief guys, what a relief. Engine's up to temp. Oh my God, I love driving so much. As much as I'm terrified of when I get to hospital, obviously I can't really touch anybody or anything, I'd be more excited. One thing I do want to check is my tyre pressures, because they feel a bit low. It does feel like there's quite a lot of engine braking as well, but I'm driving it in low revs, because obviously, like I said, used to the diesel, you can drive it in low revs. But this car definitely needs a once over, it needs an oil check and everything. I'm sure it's all alright. See, now I feel like if there's people in worker vans, just look at this car and they think, why is that kid out p***ing about in his car? How are you all coping anyway? Have you got space to work on your cars? Can you not go near the car at all? Or are you still having to go to work and drive the car every day? This car literally doesn't roll. It's just stopping dead. Something's definitely binding. Something's stopping this car. I'm gonna have to check the brakes when I get home. Because if I roll a little bit with the clutch down, even on a flat road, you'd expect it to just go. It's not gradual. It's like like it's sat in a ditch, which is obviously not right. You can smell something as well. Handbrake's all the way down. Oh, I'm worried. I'm worried now. I've got a horrible feeling one of my calipers is sticking. I'm just gonna give the brakes some pumping, see if that. There's nowhere I can pull up around here either. It smells like it's going away. I don't know if that pumping of the calipers might have helped a little bit, but that is worrying. That definitely is worrying. I've got, like I've mentioned since Christmas, I've had a caliper rebuild kit at home for the rears. So technically I can sort that out, but I can't get the car up, and I don't know how to, I'm going to find it difficult disconnecting a caliper and connecting it back up and bleeding it all properly without somebody else helping me out. One, because of knowledge, and two, having to like pump the car, pump the fluid through with the brake pedal. Anyway, I'm going to concentrate. I'm nearly there now as well, so I've just got to kind of brace myself. So I'm going to end the video here guys. I know it's quite a short one yet again, but you can imagine it's not easy to find something to film lately. recently, and this is kind of the only thing that's happened to me at all recently. So all I can say is thank you for sticking with me, thank you for watching. If you're watching any of the game streaming videos that I'm doing in between car videos, then I really appreciate that as well. Let me know ways I can improve, if any. Look after yourself, stay safe, stay distanced, and like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. So it turns out then, front left caliper is sticking. Because I got out of the car when I was there, temperatures were fine, got to that wheel, red hot. It's common fault, didn't think it'd happen now. So that's 3 calipers we're going to be rebuilding then.